I'm Jung Lee. Welcome to my home in Tribeca, New York. I'm the owner of FET, an event and design company here in New York. And I approach all aspects of my life, including my home. I need it to be multifunctional, and I needed to do lots of different things for when I entertain. So with that, let me show you around. The entrance is so important, especially at an event, but it should be the same for your home as well. So, I'm a little bit of a tease, and this mirror reflects that side of me. It gives you a little bit of a peek to all the views to come. And on the opposite wall, I've got two 70s vintage console tables from Spain I imported. I set up floral arrangements, sometimes they become food stations and a bar. But the point of the entrance is to intrigue and beckon. I love a great statement piece. These are individual hand-blown pipes from Belgium. I've had this probably over 10 years and we still sell it at my store, Jung Lee NY. I'm a big fan of different counter heights. I've got the counter height and then I've got the bar height. This actually serves as my bar when I do entertaining. When I first moved in here, I wanted a round sofa. And what I love about it is like the circle of love. And I pair this with this round coffee table. The brass base is also from the 70s. Accessories are so important. To me, that is what makes a home a home. You'll always find lots of candlelight in my home. I've got my skull candle that I usually often light, and I have many of them and they just sort of drip onto the table, but that's okay. Being an event designer, particularly in New York, you have to get really creative and find spaces that don't exist. And that's what I've done with the little corner area that I've made into a great reading space and a little area for dining with phenomenal views because this is a corner space. Design and function are the most important elements, and that's what this space is. This hallway transforms into an incredible dining space, just in a snap of a finger. See? I finished the wall with a seagrass metallic paper, so there's just a slightest bit of shimmer to it, which I like, and then just sort of the Starry Night light fixtures that I found. This is actually my tabletop. When we host dinner parties, I'll write people's names on it. It becomes their seating card essentially, where they're sitting at the table. You know, like when you were a kid, they give you crayons and you have that craft paper? But adults can do it too, and it's so much chicer because it's reflective. A home should really represent your core essence, and for me, I love giving great gifts and wrapping them in a beautiful way. And so one of my utility closets, you know, I have all my ribbons and paper and cutting, so it's easy for me to wrap. I wanted my home to be sophisticated, well-designed, yet functional. I hope you enjoy taking a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?